Hey guys, it's Eva here, and in today's video I'm going to share a very powerful yet very simple strategy on how to start with messenger marketing in your online course creating or coaching business. And to start with messenger marketing, you need to start with building a list. And I can hear already in your heads going, oh no, not again. I don't want to build another list. It took me so much effort and time to build my email list. Well, I have great news for you guys. You don't need to do it from scratch. You have already the biggest asset, which is your email list. And I'm going to show you today how to take your email list and transfer it to your messenger list. And it's very easy, and it only takes one link, one URL which you're going to send in your email, and when people click on that URL, it will take them to Messenger. Now, why would they do it? Why would they click on that URL? Well, because you're going to offer them some lead magnet. So you're going to offer your guide, cheat sheet, ebook, video training, challenge, whatever your lead magnet is. You're going to write an email where you're going to talk about whatever you want, and at the end you're going to offer your lead magnet to get better at whatever you are teaching. And when people click on that link, it will take them to your messenger, and you can start then building your list from that messenger, and you can start communicating with those people on messenger, which is so powerful now because of the huge opening rates and click-through rates. So we're going to go now to ManyChat. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And if you like this video, if you find this useful and you enjoy it, click the like button, click the subscribe button, click that bell button, and I'll be very happy to see you next Tuesday when I release my new video. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next Tuesday. So here I am in ManyChat, and that's where we're going to create that URL, that link, which will take your people from your email list to your messenger list. And we're going to use a growth tool. And all the growth tools are located here, and they are tools which are helping you to create your messenger list or subscriber list. So we're going to click on the new growth tool, and we're going to pick the messenger reference URL. So you click on the ref URL, and you can see it only has two steps, opt-in actions and setup. So we'll start with the opt-in actions, which is the message which people will get when they click on your link. So to edit that, you just click on the edit, and I'm going to take you now to the growth tool I prepared before. So you click on the edit, and you start typing your message. So what I wrote is, hey Eva. The first name you add by when you start typing, you just appear, this little box appears here, and you just click on the brackets and you pick the first name. It also shows you how many characters you have left. Do not even get to that 530 or the total number of characters. Really, the messages should be short, sweet, and to the point. Fun, light-hearted, informal, whatever your tone of your brand is, but just do not make it too long. And what I wrote is, hey Eva, and the emojis you add by clicking on this emoji face. Thank you so much for your interest in something, in messenger marketing in my case. And PS, if you ever want to unsubscribe, just type stop. This PS really should be in every single message you send, because you want to make sure that when people just click by accident on your messages or on your links, they don't want to be in your messenger, they don't have to be there. So thank you so much for your interest in messenger marketing. Get your guide below. I could have written a longer message here, and here I am presenting my guide. So that's my lead magnet. Your lead magnet doesn't have to be an ebook. It can be anything you are using, for example, a cheat sheet or a video training, or even a registration to your webinar. So anything you're using as your lead magnet, you can use here as well. Now, you can send your PDF by just clicking here and editing it as a file. It can take up to 25 megabytes, but it takes a long time really to upload, and it's a pain because then people really are annoyed that it's not uploading. So what I prefer, when you send videos or when you send PDFs, which are a bit larger, if it's not just 1 or 2 pages, then it's much more convenient for you and for the customer or the lead to get it as a card. Because first of all, you can add your picture here, so in case of PDF, or You just add your front page here. You can change the size of it here, and then you just put your title here and a little bit more about what it's about here. Also, when you click on it, this little box appears here, and this is where you're going to put your URL where you are hosting or where you are storing your PDF or your video file. So this is what I did, and this is what people are going to get when they click on the message. So let's check it out now in the preview. So I'm going to publish it. Oh, also, sorry, to do the card, you click here on the card, you add the image here, title and the subtitle. So this is how I done mine. So this is how you create your card. You publish, and we're going to preview it. And I got my message here. This is what it looks like. It's very nice. On the mobile, even on the desktop, it looks really good because you have the picture here, and when people just click on it, they will get to that place where my PDF is stored. So this is it. So that works perfect. So we're going to go back now to our message. You should name your message something, your growth tool. So let's say email to list, messenger list, for example. Email to messengers, because we're transferring your email list to messenger list, or you can call it whatever you want. But so just you know what, when you have a look at it, so you know, oh, I have to save it. So you know what actually the Grow tool is about. So we've done the first step, the opt-in action. Now the setup, we're going to go to the setup, and that's very easy because we're just going to copy that URL to our clipboard, and we're going to take it to our email. So for example, here I have a dummy email, so it's your really interesting email about blah 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 blah, I don't know what, and at the end you're going to say something about your lead magnet. You're going to get your people interested in your lead magnet. So what I wrote is, to help you to start with messenger marketing, here is a free guide which will show you exactly how to start. To get it, click the button below and it will open your messenger. After you click the Get Started button, you will be able to download your ebook or the guide. So you should always make sure that people know that you're going to communicate with them in Messenger, and also in case of the ref URL, people will get the Get Started button. In that preview, I didn't get it because I'm already subscribed to my chatbot, so I didn't have to go through the Get Started button. But the first thing people will see when they click on your link, they will get that Get Started button. So you should always make sure that people know that, and after that they will be able to download or get your video or whatever you're sending as the lead magnet. So here I hit that link. Here, this link, I put it in a button. You don't have to do that, like, it's up to you. It could be only a link in your email. So that's up to you how you want it presented. And when people click on that Get the Guide, it's going to take them to Messenger, where they click on the Get Started button, which is not visible here because I told you already that I'm subscribed to my bot, and this is the message as I showed you before. So this is how you easily, effortlessly take people from your email to your messenger list, and you can then start communicating with them on both platforms. Don't think that you're going to be annoying, that people will hate you when you're communicating on both platforms. You really need to be visible. You really need to touch points many times before people buy from you. So using both platforms is the winning formula for everybody these days. So try this, and I guarantee that when you start using messenger marketing in your business, you will see much bigger results, or better results. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, click the subscribe, click that bell button so you get notified every time I release a new video, and I'll see you next Tuesday again. Thank you.